We will now set up object versioning in Google Cloud Storage. Go on to Buckets in Google Cloud, click on New Bucket, give a unique name, Object Versioning 1, click on Continue, select the region as multiple, Continue, set the default class as standard, click on Continue, uncheck this option to allow public access to the bucket. Access control should be uniform, click on Continue. Now select Object Versioning for version control. The maximum number of objects versions per object should be 2 and the non-current current version should be 7. Click on Create Bucket. Now after the bucket creation, we will upload 2 images. Any images would work. Go ahead and the upload will take some time. As you can see, both the images are now uploaded. Go on to the Cloud Shell terminal, run the command gsutil ls-a gs:/bucket name. This will show that both the objects are available. Now we can delete one of the objects to show versioning. Select an object, delete. As you can see, both the one of the object is deleted, but it is available here. So we can see in the GUI version that it is saved as a non-concurrent object. Now we can restore it. Click on the image or the file, go to the end, click on restore. The prompt will restore it. Okay, so now it's a live object. Earlier it shows as concurrent. Go back to the bucket. As you can see, both the images are now available. Thank you.